Alright, so I'm creating this video here to basically show you how to download ROMs from my previous video where I showed you how to download the GPS phone emulator for the iPhone and iPod Touch. If you don't have the emulator GPS phone already, I can show you easily video how to do that. Go to the link right there. The link will also be in my description if you want to follow it that way as well. Just basically, if you don't have the emulator, this video is basically useless to you. But I use the source Sinful iPhone repo. I'll show you how to add that in just a second. But the downloads I will download from Cydia that will be under that Sinful source. Going to be iFile and Safari Download Manager. iFile lets you get into almost all the files of the iPhone that normally Apple blocks you from. So be very careful in there. Don't mess with stuff you don't want to mess with, because if you delete the wrong thing, you will screw the phone up. I will show you exactly how to get to the Game Boy Advance ROMs that you're going to download. That way, if you ever need to delete one or anything like that, you'll have that ability. But like I said, just don't mess with anything in there if you don't know how to. Download Manager just adds a little tweak to your Safari. It's pretty sweet. So anything you download will show up in that Download Manager. I think it's pretty neat, but it's the way I get the games and the ROMs for the emulator. You're going to use this website. Really what I would recommend doing is pausing this video, going to your iPod Touch or your iPhone, open up your Safari, and then type in that that link right there. See, that way later on when I get in the video, I don't have to explain it or anything like that. You already have it in your Safari, good to go. But I'm going to go ahead and open up my Cydia now, and I'll show you how to add that Sinful source. Man, Cydia likes to take forever. There we go. When you get to go under Manage, then you hit Sources. When you get to this screen here, you want to hit Edit in the top right, Add in the top left. Then you're literally going to type Sinful, S-I-N-F-U-L. There it is, iPhone, repo.com. Hit Add Source. Once you go through that black screen, loading all the letters and whatnot, hit Return to Cydia. Come to this screen here, open up that Sinful little crack right there. Then you want to hit the S. I was going all over the place just for the fun of it. There we go, Safari Download Manager. Download that one. Once that gets done, hit that Return to Cydia button again, and then go to the I's. You want to scroll down to iFile, and then download that. That's very simple steps to how to get those for free. iFile says cracked because it actually costs about $4. You're getting it for free through this Sinful source. I have no idea what's reloading right now, so I'm just going to return to Cydia and go back. There we go. Apologize about that. Once you download those, two things. You open up your Safari. You'll actually see that new icon on the bottom, right in this area right here. Essentially, that's the Safari Download Manager. When you open up, you can see 3 games I've downloaded in the past. I'm going to show you how to get to that Kingdom Hearts one, because I just downloaded it right before I made this video. Again, like I said, I'm going to go to that website I showed you, m.corom.com/roms/GBA. While it's loading, I figured I'd name that off. But I'm just going to, this is literally a list of games, so you can go to any letter and see games. Like under T was the last one I looked at. I remember, well, dang it, there we go. T was the last one I looked at. T's going to have like all kinds of things like Terminator, Ninja Turtles, all that stuff. I just wanted to at least pull it up once so I can kind of show you like the wide variety of games that this allows you to have. There we go. Sorry, the load time on this, my Wi-Fi is being slow. But as you can see, there's all kinds of games. I'm going to go back because I want to show you how I got the game. Back to the top, I hit top 25 downloaded. That's where a lot of games are that you're probably going to want to play. There, where'd it go? Kingdom Hearts. That's the last game I downloaded, so I'm going to click that one. Man, the load time on this is killing me like Cydia always does. Let this load up. And I believe it's loaded enough for me to scroll down. It sure is. You want to hit download now. It's going to look the same on any game you go to, I've noticed. In the middle of the screen there where it says destination, I'm going to click that little arrow. This is now we're in iFile. I don't know why Casey's texting me right now, but I'm going to go back. One, it says mobile. I'm going to go back another. And now I want to hit media. I'm going to scroll down. And I'm going to hit ROMs. And then I'm going to hit GBA. This is now the exact location of where all my game saves are for the Game Boy Advance emulator, as well as where all my game, anything game-wise, saves, game BIOS files, anything like that's in this location. So you want to choose that, and then right there under destination, just say GBA/media/ROMs, and you're going to hit download. Once you start that download, it actually is going to show it in Safari Download Manager, which you open up Safari again, it'll show it right there. Should have a load bar going across the game. Once it's done downloading and whatnot, literally you can open up your Game Boy Advance emulator, which I have down there in the bottom of my screen, so I'll open it up. You can see Kingdom Hearts is now there. Yours will now be there as well. But those are other games I've downloaded from that website. Very easy to download, very simple. Very simple steps of how to get there. And then when you save stuff on the emulator, they'll be right there under saves. And then you just load up your saves. So essentially that's the gist behind it. I'll end the video just showing you that it works again, that I've never had any problems with it. But if you have any other questions, don't be afraid to comment. Let me know what they are. Please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. Again, when I click a load of the emulator, for some reason it doesn't record sound anymore. So, yeah, that's why sound goes quiet. But here we go.